What's up everyone, it's that Math Magician, and on this video we're taking a look at functions and we're going to see, can we evaluate an input for a given function. So we have our function right here and it says m of x equals the absolute value of x minus 10. So to work through this problem, we need to pick an input to use for this function. So for this problem, let's let our input be 15. I like 15, it's a nice round number there. And we're going to take that number and we're going to change every x value to be a 15. Notice though that instead of just writing 15, I put it in parentheses. Now I do that because I want to make sure for order of operations, nothing comes up. Whenever I put the number in for the variable, you're always going to see me have parentheses just in case there's any wonkiness with order of operations. But I think for this one, we're good, okay? The x value is now 15. Alrighty, so now we solve this out. We have m of 15 on the left side. That's not changing. That just means 15 is the input. It's going into m. What's the output going to be? And the output is going to be the absolute value of 15 minus 10. Well, what is 15 minus 10? That's not too bad, right? That just ends up being 5. And what is the absolute value of 5? And if you forgot for a second, what the heck is absolute value? I got you, don't worry. Absolute value means the distance from that number to 0. That's all it means, right? If you think of a number line, right? We got a number line. Here's 0. Here's 5. The absolute value means what is that distance from 0 to that number. That's all it is. And so what it really means is that it just ends up being 5, right? That's how far 5 is from 0. It is 5 units away. It really makes sense when you think about that. Now, I know some of your teachers might say, just it takes negatives away, right? That's the big thing that we think of. Absolute value means negatives go to positive, positives stay positive. And that is true. That is what's happening. But I really want you to understand the deeper meaning of absolute value. Absolute value means how far is 5 away from 0? And it's 5. That's why the answer ends up being 5. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, let me box my answer. We always box our answers around here. Okay, let's do it one more time. But this time, we're going to change our x value to be, let's see, let me pick a good one. Let's make it be 3. Like 3. 3 is our input. So that means in this right side here, instead of writing x, I'm going to write 3, and it's in parentheses. Awesome. Let's go ahead and solve this out. M of 3 is going to equal the absolute value of 3 minus 10. If you struggle with negatives, just use your calculator real quick. There's no shame. What is 3 take away 10? It ends up being negative 7. So now we have to figure out what is the absolute value of negative 7. Again, the trick is if there's a negative, you take the negative away and it becomes positive. But we're here to understand the deeper meaning of math, right? Again, if I'm asking what is the absolute value of negative 7, I am literally asking you how far away is negative 7 from 0? Think about that. How far away is negative 7 from 0? It is 7 units away. That's why the absolute value of negative 7 is 7. Okay, yes, the negative is becoming a positive. That's the trick you can learn. But we're not just here for tricks, right? We're here for deeper understanding. That's what absolute value is, okay? Awesome, awesome, awesome. You guys are doing so good with these functions. It's that Math Magician, and I'll see you on the next video.